Now today I brought the unit and dimension, and here you can see the unit and dimension, the basic weightage. It will be 4 marks for your mains. And here are the few topics that you can see: the fundamental, supplementary, and practice dimensional formula, principle of homogeneity, conversion of units, dimension, dimension in terms of physical quantity, and key points, dimensionless quantities, and the P by Q. So these things we will going to cover. Now here we can say these are the few physical quantities. Now physical quantities you can check, like length. Length has a meter, CGS centimeter, and symbol length. Mass kg, gram, meter. M stand for mass. Time second, second, and T. Temperature K, Kelvin, and theta, that is symbolized. Current A, and once again symbolized by intensity CD and CD, amount of matter, mole and mole. The two additional supplementary units it will be there. Now here you can say angle and solid angle. Angle is a 2D measurement of angle, that is 2D measurement of, and solid angle is a 3D measurement of angle. Kindly remember. Now next, here we can say like force. I told you in the class that force is equal to mlt minus 2 energy, ml2 t minus 2. That is epsilon. This is very important in frequently, epsilon naught. It's better to learn the dimension, and that is mu naught means permeability. Permeability. Fine. You may practice to find dimension of some constant. Like this is some constant they have given, like gravitation constant, gas constant, Boltzmann constant, Planck constant, Rydberg constant. So these many frequently asked. So you can check these values and the dimension formula. Now Stevens Boltzmann constant. Stevens Boltzmann constant called sigma. Fine. So apart from it, two more formula that is important. That is B is equal to H mu, or once I keeping this B value mu naught by I 2 pi r circular path. So we will get the intensity of magnetization, magnetizing field. Now here we can say next rule that we have discussed already, that is called as principle of homogeneity. And I thought now you start understanding very much. The equal quantity will be added, subtracted, that's why they are equal to each other. S is equal to ut plus half at. We can do now. If you're talking, the physical quantity is equal to n into u, amount of physical quantity. U stand for unit and n stand for numerical value. To find the how to one poise, you better to remember what do you mean by poise, what is the unit of poise. CGS unit of viscosity. This is important. CGS unit of viscosity is equal to 1 poisely in SI. That is 1 poisely, poise and poisely. Clear? Now F is equal to 6 pi eta RV, so N is equal to F upon. Now keeping the value, and for the sake of conversion, N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. By this way, we can get the value of either N1 or N2, respectively, what the information they have given. Fine. Now here dimension in terms of other physical quantity. Now dimension in terms of other physical quantity means, let's say we have a three different physical quantity where exponent we have considered A, B, C. Now what I supposed to do, I keeping the value every term in the dimensional form. So here you can see next line, the dimensional formula it will be and then M power separate, L power separate, L power separate, and that once we compare it, so we will get the three equation. By solving we can get the exponent value, and hence we can say T is equal to 1 under root GH upon SC power 5. Clear? I thought you have understood. Now next key points that you better to remember with all trigonometric ratios sin theta cos theta. Fine. All trigonometric ratios, the, the theta having dimension m0, l0, t0, because this is a function. Sin theta is equal to sin a by b. So once again we can say ab is equal to c. So dimension of a is equal to c. That is 1 that we got. Now exponential for e to the power x, x must be dimensionless. X must be dimensionless. Here power x equal, and we can get the value of t. Now Reynolds number rho v d upon eta, dielectric constant k, and refractive index, and the many more. So Reynolds constant number one, exponential function, angle, and all trigonometric ratios. This is what this slide has, the main points. Now, now 5 PYQ for understanding, that I will present on the next slide. Till you all the revise, these are the questions that we will do on the next occasion. Till then, take care, have a nice time, and keep revising.